Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're stepping into a world of pure luxury, performance, and craftsmanship with the... This is not just a car you drive from one place to another. This is an experience, a statement, and a perfect example of what happens when engineering meets artistry at the highest level. The moment you lay your eyes on this machine, it immediately feels special. The front end carries that unmistakable Bentley identity with a large, upright matrix grille that dominates the view. It's bold, but never aggressive in a harsh way. Instead, it feels refined and confident. The grille is paired with beautifully crafted LED matrix headlights that feature intricate detailing inside, almost like a piece of fine jewelry. These lights don't just illuminate the road, they create a signature presence. Especially at night when the car glides through the city, the hood stretches long and smooth, emphasizing the car's grand touring nature. Subtle lines run along the surface, guiding your eyes toward the iconic Flying B emblem sitting proudly at the front. This emblem alone represents decades of heritage, and in this modern version, it's often electronically deployable, adding a touch of theater every time you unlock the car, moving along the side. The proportions are what truly define the elegance of this vehicle. The long wheelbase, short front overhang, and wide stance give it a powerful yet graceful look. The character line flows seamlessly from the front fender all the way to the rear, creating a sense of motion even when the car is standing still. Large alloy wheels, typically ranging from 20 to 22 inches, fill the arches perfectly and can be customized in various finishes. Chrome accents highlight the windows and lower body. Although darker trims are also available for a more modern and stealthy appearance, the door handles sit flush with the body, contributing to the clean design and improved aerodynamics. Every panel, every curve, and every detail feels intentional. This is a car that doesn't shout for attention, it naturally commands it. At the rear, the design continues with a sense of understated luxury. The oval-shaped LED taillights feature a crystal-cut design that looks stunning when illuminated. A chrome strip runs across the rear, connecting the lights and adding width to the overall appearance. The rear bumper integrates dual oval exhaust outlets, reminding you that beneath all this luxury lies serious performance capability. The trunk opens wide, offering practical space for luggage, making it suitable for long-distance travel as well. Step inside, and this is where the Flying Spur truly becomes something extraordinary. The cabin is a masterpiece of craftsmanship, combining traditional techniques with modern technology. Every surface you touch feels premium, from the hand-stitched leather to the polished metal accents and real wood veneers. Bentley offers an incredible level of customization, allowing buyers to choose from a wide range of colors, stitching patterns, and materials. No two cars need to be the same. The dashboard design is both elegant and innovative. One of the standout features is the rotating display, a three-sided unit that allows you to switch between a large touchscreen, a set of classic analog dials, or a seamless wood panel. This feature perfectly represents the dual nature of the car, blending old-world luxury with cutting-edge technology. The seats are incredibly comfortable, designed to support long journeys without fatigue. They come with heating, ventilation, massage functions, and multiple adjustment options. The front seats are luxurious, but the rear seats are where the car truly shines. Rear passengers are treated to limousine-level comfort, with generous legroom, reclining seats, and available features like fold-out tables and a rear touchscreen controller that manages climate, media, and seat settings. Ambient lighting runs throughout the cabin, creating a warm and inviting atmosphere, especially during night drives. The attention to detail is astonishing. Even the stitching on the seats is done with precision, reflecting the craftsmanship Bentley is known for. Now let's talk about performance. Because this car is not just about comfort. Under the hood, the 2026 Flying Spur introduces an advanced plug-in hybrid V8 powertrain. This setup combines a twin turbocharged V8 engine with an electric motor, producing around 670 horsepower and massive torque. The result is a car that feels effortless in every situation. Acceleration is incredibly quick for a luxury sedan of this size. It can go from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just over 3 seconds, which is something you would expect from a high-performance sports car. Power delivery is smooth and immediate thanks to the electric motor assisting the engine. The transition between electric and gasoline power is seamless, making the driving experience feel refined and sophisticated. The car uses an 8-speed dual-clutch transmission, which shifts quickly and smoothly, ensuring that power is always available when you need it. The all-wheel drive system provides excellent grip, whether you're driving on dry roads or in challenging weather conditions. One of the most impressive aspects of the Flying Spur is how it handles. Despite its size, it feels surprisingly agile. This is achieved through advanced systems like rear-wheel steering, which helps the car turn more easily at low speeds and improves stability at higher speeds. The adaptive air suspension continuously adjusts to road conditions, providing a smooth and comfortable ride while maintaining excellent control. The plug-in hybrid system also allows for short distances of pure electric driving. This means you can drive quietly through the city without using the engine, reducing emissions and improving efficiency. It's a perfect combination of performance and sustainability, showing how luxury cars are evolving for the future. Technology in the Flying Spur is as advanced as you would expect. The infotainment system is fast and intuitive, offering features like navigation, smartphone integration, and a premium audio system that delivers exceptional sound quality. Driver assistance features include adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, night vision, and a 360-degree camera system. These technologies make driving easier and safer, whether you're in heavy traffic or on a long highway journey. When it comes to pricing, this level of luxury does not come cheap. The 2026 Flying Spur starts at around $250,000, and with customization options, the price can easily exceed $350,000 or more. Bentley also offers exclusive Mulliner versions, which push the boundaries of luxury even further with unique materials and bespoke details. What makes this car truly special is the balance it achieves. It offers the comfort of a limousine, the performance of a sports car, and the craftsmanship of a handcrafted masterpiece. It's designed for those who appreciate the finer things in life and want a vehicle that reflects their success and taste. If there's one suggestion, it would be to fully explore the customization options when choosing this car. The ability to personalize every detail is one of its biggest strengths, and it allows you to create something truly unique. Also, if you plan to use it in the city, the hybrid system adds a level of practicality that older luxury sedans simply didn't have. Overall, the 2026 Bentley Flying Spur stands as one of the finest luxury sedans in the world. It combines elegance, power, technology, and comfort into a single package that is hard to match. It's not just about getting from one place to another, it's about how you feel during the journey. And that brings us to the end of today's review. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the Flying Spur, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments. Would you prefer to drive this incredible machine yourself or sit back and enjoy the ride from the rear seat? Either way, this car delivers an experience like no other. See you in the next video.